Most email marketing platforms force you to choose between beautiful design and powerful marketing. Flodesk takes a different approach by bringing everything together in one platform. Instead of juggling multiple tools for emails, forms, landing pages, and sales, you can manage everything from one clean and beginner-friendly workspace. From the moment you open the dashboard, the interface feels simple and easy to navigate. Everything is well organized, making it easy to build professional marketing campaigns without a complicated learning curve. One of Flodesk's biggest highlights is its email builder. Instead of starting from scratch, you can choose from a large collection of professionally designed templates for newsletters, promotions, product launches, announcements, and seasonal campaigns. Every template is fully customizable using a drag-and-drop editor, allowing you to update text, replace images, rearrange sections, and personalize your content in just a few clicks. You can also upload your own fonts, apply your brand colors, and create emails that stay consistent with your visual identity. Features like countdown timers, personalization, and Canva integration make it even easier to build engaging campaigns without relying on additional design tools. Flodesk also includes built-in subject line A/B testing. Simply create 2 subject line variations, and Flodesk automatically sends both versions to a portion of your audience before delivering the winning version to the remaining subscribers based on open rates. It's an easy way to improve email performance with minimal effort.
You haven't seen design magic? Until now. Introducing Flodesk Studio. Describe what you want to create and watch your emails come to life.
Another exciting addition is Flodesk Studio, an AI-powered design app that lets you describe the email you want, then generates a fully branded draft in minutes. Built on professional designer templates and powered by Claude by Anthropic, it's currently available in beta and can even be explored without creating a Flodesk account. You can schedule campaigns, organize subscribers, and manage everything from one place, making the entire workflow much faster and easier. Flodesk also includes powerful tools for growing your audience. Inside the Forms section, you can create pop-ups, embedded forms, landing pages, link in bio pages, countdown forms, video forms, and even interactive spin-to-win forms. Every form automatically follows your branding, creating a consistent experience from the moment someone subscribes. According to Flodesk, these forms convert at roughly twice the industry average, helping businesses grow their email lists more effectively. After collecting subscribers, automation helps you stay connected without constantly sending emails manually. You can build simple workflows that welcome new subscribers, send follow-up emails after a few days, and continue guiding people based on how they interact with your content. Once the workflow is running, your email marketing continues automatically in the background. Flodesk also comes with built-in checkout tools, making it easy to sell digital products, memberships, subscriptions, coaching services, and more without needing another platform. Customers can check out using Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Buy Now, Pay Later options, while features like abandoned cart recovery and post-purchase emails help improve conversions. Another useful feature is the built-in link in bio page. Instead of sending people to multiple different websites, you can create one branded page to share important links, promote products, and collect new subscribers. As your audience grows, built-in analytics help you measure your results. You can monitor email opens, clicks, subscriber growth, workflow performance, and overall engagement to better understand what's working. Flodesk also maintains an average platform-wide deliverability of around 98.4%, nearly 10 percentage points above the industry average, while members typically see average open rates between 36% and 47%, compared to an industry benchmark of around 21%. While Flodesk focuses primarily on email marketing, it doesn't include built-in SMS or WhatsApp marketing, and its integration library is smaller than some larger competitors. However, if your focus is creating beautiful email campaigns and building your audience with a simple workflow, those limitations are unlikely to be a deal breaker. Flodesk also offers flexible pricing depending on your needs. The free plan is designed for list building, giving you access to forms and landing pages without email sending. Paid plans start at $25 per month with unlimited email sends and pricing scales based on subscriber count rather than how often you send emails. Every paid plan also includes a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. From customizable email templates and subscriber forms to automations, checkout, link in bio pages, AI-powered design tools, and built-in analytics, it brings together everything needed to build, grow, and engage your audience from one place. If you're looking for a clean, design-first email marketing platform, Flodesk is definitely worth exploring.